The U.S. Justice Department has filed criminal charges against a fugitive ex-intelligence analyst who leaked details of a secret surveillance operation. The charges against ex-National Security Agency, NSA, analyst Edward Snowden include espionage and theft of government property. In May, Mr. Snowden fled to Hong Kong after leaking details of a program to monitor phone and internet data. The U.S. is also reported to be preparing an extradition request. His leaks revealed that U.S. agencies had systematically gathered vast amounts of phone and web data. The criminal complaint was lodged with a federal court in the Eastern District of Virginia and a provisional arrest warrant had been issued, court documents show. Mr. Snowden was charged with theft of government property, unauthorized communication of national defense information and willful communication of classified communications intelligence. Each of the charges carries a maximum 10-year prison sentence. The complaint is dated June 14, although it was made only public on Friday. Mr. Snowden's whereabouts are unknown since he left his hotel on June 10, after going public about his responsibility for the leaks. Hong Kong police have declined to comment on a local newspaper report that he is staying in a police-safe house. The BBC's Katie Watson in Washington says the move shows how seriously the U.S. administration is taking the issue. Democratic Senator Bill Nelson, a member of the Senate Armed Services Committee, welcomed the charges. "I've always thought this was a treasonous act," he said in a statement. "I hope Hong Kong's government will take him into custody and extradite him to the U.S." Correspondents say that although the U.S. and Hong Kong cooperate on law enforcement matters, Mr. Snowden's appeal rights could drag out any extradition proceedings. The leaks led to revelations that the U.S. is systematically seizing vast amounts of phone and web data under an NSA program known as PRISM. Mr. Snowden has also alleged that U.S. intelligence had been hacking into Chinese computer networks. He said he had decided to speak out after observing a continuing litany of lies from senior officials to Congress. The leaks have been a severe embarrassment for President Barack Obama's administration. U.S. officials have since launched a robust defense of the practice by U.S. intelligence agencies of gathering telephone and internet data from private users around the world. They say PRISM cannot be used to intentionally target any Americans or anyone in the U.S., and that it is supervised by judges. Earlier this week, the head of the NSA, Jen Keith Alexander, told Congress that it had helped to thwart terror attacks.